For millennia, humanity has been defined by its biological limits, our minds and bodies shaped by evolutionary forces beyond our control. Yet, in laboratories and research centers across the globe, experiments are underway that promise to fundamentally alter this ancient decree. These are not mere incremental advancements. They are explorations into the very essence of what it means to be human. The outcomes of these endeavors could redefine our species, extending our capabilities, prolonging our existence, and even changing our physical forms. We stand at a precipice, looking into a future where the lines between biology and technology, natural and design, become increasingly blurred. The implications are profound, sparking both excitement and ethical debate. One of the most revolutionary fields transforming our understanding of human potential is genetic engineering, particularly with the advent of CRISPR technology. This precise gene editing tool allows scientists to target and modify specific sequences of DNA with unprecedented accuracy. No longer are we passive recipients of our genetic lottery, we are becoming its architects. Initial applications focus on eradicating inherited diseases. Imagine a world where conditions like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, or sickle cell anemia are not just treated, but permanently cured before symptoms even manifest. This capability holds the promise of eliminating immense suffering for countless individuals and future generations. The therapeutic potential is truly staggering. Beyond correcting genetic errors, the conversation inevitably turns to enhancement. Could we one day boost cognitive function, improve physical attributes, or even confer resistance to common illnesses through genetic modification? While fraught with ethical questions, the scientific possibility is now within reach, pushing the boundaries of what is considered normal human variation. Another frontier poised to reshape human experience lies in the development of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These devices aim to create direct communication pathways between the human brain and external machines, bypassing the traditional sensory and motor pathways. The initial focus is often on restoring lost function for those with severe disabilities. Patients with paralysis could regain control over prosthetic limbs or even external devices using only their thoughts. Individuals unable to speak might communicate seamlessly through neural signals translated into text or synthesized speech. These advancements offer incredible hope for improving quality of life and fostering greater independence. However, the potential of BCIs extends far beyond therapeutic applications. Researchers are exploring ways to augment human cognition, allowing direct access to vast databases of information or even enabling instantaneous communication without words. The prospect of enhancing memory, processing speed, or even adding new sensory inputs through technology challenges our very understanding of intelligence and consciousness. Perhaps no human desire is as fundamental as the wish to defy death and aging. The field of longevity research is making remarkable strides, moving beyond simple lifespan extension to focus on health span, the period of life lived in good health. Scientists are investigating the root causes of aging at a cellular and molecular level, seeking to intervene. Experiments involve targeting senescent cells, the so-called zombie cells that accumulate with age and contribute to tissue damage and inflammation. Other approaches explore metabolic pathways, such as caloric restriction mimetics, which activate cellular repair mechanisms usually triggered by scarcity. These interventions have shown promising results in animal models. The goal is not merely to extend life, but to eliminate age-related diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and many forms of cancer, making old age a period of continued vitality rather than decline. If successful, these experiments could fundamentally alter human demographics, societal structures, and our relationship with time itself. We might live for centuries, active and healthy. Synthetic biology is another domain pushing the boundaries of human potential. This field involves designing and constructing new biological parts, devices, and systems or redesigning existing natural biological systems for useful purposes. From engineering microbes to produce medicines to growing human organs in the lab, the possibilities are vast. Organoids, miniature three-dimensional tissues grown from stem cells, are revolutionizing disease modeling and drug discovery. These mini-organs allow scientists to study human development and disease progression in a controlled environment, paving the way for personalized medicine and a deeper understanding of complex biological processes without relying on animal testing. Looking further ahead, synthetic biology could lead to the creation of entirely new forms of biological life or even novel human-compatible tissues with enhanced properties. Imagine organs engineered to be immune to specific diseases or limbs capable of regeneration. The ability to design and build biological systems from the ground up offers unprecedented control over life itself. These diverse experimental pathways, though distinct, converge on a singular, monumental question: what will it mean to be human in the future? As we gain the power to reshape our biology, augment our minds, and defy our mortality, the very definition of our species begins to shift. We are moving beyond the confines of natural selection. The ethical, social, and philosophical implications are immense. Who will have access to these transformative technologies? What new forms of inequality might arise if enhancements become commonplace but exclusive? How will our understanding of identity, consciousness, and society evolve when these fundamental aspects of our existence are subject to modification? These experiments are not just about scientific discovery. They are about defining the next chapter of human evolution, a chapter that we ourselves are writing. The future promises extraordinary breakthroughs, but it also demands profound reflection. The journey ahead is one of immense potential and unprecedented responsibility.